Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You should start with the TV already on and the YouTube TV app open to the sign-in or pairing screen. Once the QR code appears, pick up your phone and unlock it. Make sure the camera has permission to scan or open the YouTube app. If your phone prompts for browser access, allow it. Now position the phone camera so the QR code fills the viewfinder. Hold steady for a second or two while the scanner recognizes the pattern and opens the sign-in link automatically. Once the scanner on your phone detects the QR code, a notification or link appears. Tap it. The link will take you to a secure YouTube sign-in page. Sign in with the Google account you want on the TV. Make sure you select the correct account, then confirm device pairing when prompted. This step creates the authorization token between phone and TV. If the page asks for permissions, accept the minimum needed for viewing. After confirmation, the TV app should automatically refresh and show your account. When pairing succeeds, the TV will update to your YouTube TV home and settings. If nothing happens, close the pair prompt on the TV, retry scanning, and make sure the phone has an active internet connection. The camera must open the sign-in link. As an alternative, open a browser and go to YouTube. com/activate, enter the code displayed on TV and sign in. If problems persist, reboot the TV and phone. Ensure both are on the same network when required, and clear the YouTube TV app cache before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.